Hey guys, Rafael here from Avant Auto Sales. This beautiful morning, inauguration day. Now, today, I bring you another walk around, and it's the turn of a beautiful and shiny 2006 Honda Accord that we brought back to life. We painted the car. It's a 4-cylinder engine. We fixed an oil leak. We fixed a window regulator, and it's ready to go. Good thing about this car is it doesn't have any tears, rips, or anything weird in the fabric, and it's a one-owner vehicle. The owner, it only has one owner. The person drove it from 2006 until recently when we purchased it from him. Here's the key. Starts right up.
As a point of
Radio works on this inauguration day. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Cruise control for the radio. Let's put it in reverse. Engages right away. Let's put it in drive and go around the lot, sorry, as we always do. Transmission shifts well. Tires are really decent. It's priced to sell. It's a 2006, 113,000 miles. It's $1,500 down plus tax and tag. One owner, again, a one owner Honda Accord. You can never find those. It's available and it is for you. Give me a second. Here's the key again. Starts right up. $1,500 down plus tax and tag. $75 a week, $150 every 2 weeks. Build your credit with Avant if you want to finance with us, and if you want to file your taxes with us, you can file your taxes with Avant, and we will take the down payment from your refund money. Come get it. This one lasts.
Listen to my daddy. He knows what he's talking about.
See? She knows.